Hi, sweeties. Welcome to Sweet Savant. Please subscribe for more delicious recipes like these tacos made with plantain shells. Let's get into it. You're going to need to buy one of these wire taco racks. I'll put a link in the description box for it. Make a little filling. We used some chicken. I just pan roasted a little chicken. It was seasoned with adobo, shredded up after it finished cooking. Then saute the shredded chicken with onions and peppers. Squeeze a little lime in there. Set that aside until you're ready to fill your tacos. Now get to work on the plantains. We're using green plantains. These are starchy, not sweet plantains. Then you're just going to use a knife, cut off the end, and then with the tip of the knife, make some cuts down the length of the plantain just through the skin. You're not kind of trying to cut into the flesh of the plantain itself. And then you're going to use your fingertips to just pry off that skin. It takes a little effort, but once you get it going, it comes off easily. And now, once we get that skin off, we're going to cut the plantains into 2 or 3 pieces, about 2.5, 3 inches long, depending on how big you want your taco shell. Now, we're going to fry those plantain pieces in oil about 320 degrees because you don't want the plantains at this point to get crispy or too brown. You just want to tenderize them, want to make them soft on the inside so that we can mash them. That's right, these are getting mashed later on. So fry them, and then we're going to drain them on paper towels and let them cool just a little bit. You can turn your oil off at this point. We'll come back to that later. Now don't let them cool too much because then they won't keep their shape as well. You just want to let them cool enough to handle. Then take your parchment paper and use a cast iron skillet or whatever you got and smash those plantains like you're making tostones or patacones. Then you leave the bottom piece of parchment on just to keep it from sticking to that wire rack. Let your plantain shells cool in the wire rack so they will hold their shape, and then crank that oil back up to 375 degrees and fry those plantain shells for about 2 to 3 more minutes until they are golden brown, crispy, and delicious. Drain those plantain shells on a wire rack and season them with just a little bit of kosher salt. Then you're ready to fill your tacos. We used that shredded chicken from earlier, but you can use beef, pork, all vegetables if you like. Add fresh tomatoes, salsa, cilantro. I use some pickled onions, pickled jalapeno. It's all good. Let me tell you, everybody is going to love these. There's no one that's not going to like it. I promise. Well, I don't promise. But give these a try. You'll make people happy. Look at that. My family loved them. They snatched them up. Try Sweet Savant and have a delicious day.